Hello guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So we are here in Ubay to buy some construction material for our house building and our property. And yeah, so today we bought some bags of concrete, and we are here right now in their warehouse to pick it up. Look at this guys, so they have different construction material supplies here. So this is their warehouse. They have a loads of concrete in here inside the bags, and they have also this different piping for electrical. Over here, that's a lot. They have the different kinds of rebar, angle bar in there. Scott is over there waiting for the guys so that they can load it into our truck, the concrete. We need 50 bags at first, then maybe we need to buy more. We have a really big warehouse in here. I'm just sitting here, by the way, but in the truck because my tummy is feeling weird. I don't know. And there are bags of cement in here. It costs us around 192 pesos each, which a bit cheaper than what we bought in Talibon. Wow. They have also different tiles, huh? The tiles, brown. That one, broken. We just arrived here in the property, and yeah, we're a bit worried and scared because of the load that we have. We got this 50 bags of cement. So in this one big bag, there are 50 inside, and yeah, look at this guys. Our tire is a bit lower, so we're driving. Look at this, my god. Look at our tire with that load. Oh, maupod gyapon oy. A bit lower because it's quite really heavy. But next time we don't buy it like that. Maybe 30 bags only. We need the cement guys for the flooring, and we need more. So when we buy again, I don't think we do it like this. We have to buy around 30 bags. So we have her Noy Anyong, and the other guys going to pull out all the cement that we bought here. 50. Pero kuan ay di pwede ang bonggol 50. Kuan man na pwedeng hadlok ay. Kuya mo buto, it might burst out the wheel, the tire. Ha? Lagi? Uy, nakuan ni no? Wa man siguro? Kaluyan pod mi oy. Di ana ko sunod di na oy, 30 ra.
Sige ni kargag 50 yani ko.
Kuan na siguro, kung duha pa ni kaligid okay ra. If this one has 2 wheels, it's fine, but this one has only, my god, 1 wheel at the back in each side. So Ha?
Labor Zarkede. Lester Anyo.
So they are going to put this one in the side. So we store our cement over there. And while the welders working in the other side in that space.
Yung takabo, tuwang limog sa finishing flooring.
Flooring pa man na, Noy?
Awa na yan ba?
Put it slowly but surely.
Kaman mabot mo.
We also bought some of the interling, the 2x2 the hole, which costs around 900 each bundle. And we ordered also this metal paring, guys, from the hardware where we always bought our construction material. This one. So we just ordered around 100 pieces. So we get this double metal paring here for our ceiling. Yeah. Because the single one is very thin, so we get this double one. And good thing they have this one, and it costs us around 100 pesos each. So this one is 2x1, I guess. It's look like the form is like a zipper lens. So these are some of the material that we have here that we bought already.
How much red light do you have left?
We still have here the angle bar that needed for our trusses for the shorter one. We need more rod.
He said they've got to go, when he's finished, they're going to go up there and paint every weld.
Yeah, because
Which is a good idea.
to be sure, no?
Yeah.
Because when they weld, it's not yet painted, so they have to paint that
What
one.
about the ceiling rail?
Yeah,
That's aluminum though, isn't it?
aluminum ni Noy. Pwede ra ni di ko ano, no? Pwede ra ni di siya kanang kuanag metal primer. Di, it's okay if not.
It's covered. Yeah,
Yeah.
aluminum doesn't rust anyway.
Yeah,
Well, I don't know what Chinese aluminum, but
yeah. As long as there is no rain, it doesn't get wet in the rain because of the acid. Let's walk up here again. It's incredibly hot. Today is, I guess, Wednesday. And yeah, they are already putting this the siding. And also in that part over there. Next is after they finish that one on this side, they're gonna work on the other side. And you have to prefer also our guys here, our people here, working on the flooring for our garage and dirty kitchen. So we need them to tamper also the soil and then put the gravel and lay out all those bars, the 10 mm rebar. And then going down here, going to the front, guys, it's like you go a bit sloping. This is the entrance going in with the van, going inside the garage. So, and in here, this is quite a bit that they work on in this part in front of our house. They already started putting the foundation. Yeah, they put the solid concrete down below and then pile up with the CHB. Yeah, as you can see here, the one below is like a solid concrete, and then they already filed 2 hollow blocks. I think this one is like 4 CHB needed file up. But over there, no, because it's like there's a ramp in each side, so that one may be less CHB that we needed here. Only in this side, nearby the stairs. And I'm planning to do also the landscape here in front. Yeah, for my planting. I guess my roses will be here. Because I plant in that one, I'm gonna make like a landscape in the middle. Since Kat is planning to do the little houses, the bamboo houses. 1, 2, 3, I guess, if we got the budget in the future. But I like something in the house also to beautify the area. Like in this part, I make like a landscape. And as of now, guys, they are still continuing getting all those bag of cement, putting it into the storage area. So after they're going to do in there and in this side, they gonna work in here in front. Hi. And these are all the trusses that they weld already for the siding. And then they're gonna install it at the top and weld it together, and then our guys will follow to paint it with the anti-rust where the area they weld, to be sure. Okay guys, so that is for today. Please do consider subscribing and sharing our channel. Don't forget to give us some comments or any suggestions so we can get some any ideas from you guys. And thank you everyone for all the support. And God bless. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe.